Chocolate Mayo cakes have been around for a while, but some people still refuse to make them because they don't like mayo. Rest assured, you cannot taste the mayo in this cake. Mayo is mostly fat with a little bit of egg, and the fat is replacing the oil and some of the eggs in this recipe, and the lemon in the mayo reacts with the baking soda. It produces a fudgy, moist, and fluffy chocolate cake that will have you reaching for a second slice. And it's so easy to make. In a large bowl, mix together 2 cups of flour, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, and 1/4 cup or up to a 1/2 cup of sifted cocoa powder. Mix well to get rid of any lumps. Then add 1 cup of mayonnaise or Miracle Whip dressing, and 1 egg. Also add in a teaspoon of vanilla and mix. The mixture will be thick like dough. Add a pinch of salt. Now add 1 cup of water that has 1 teaspoon of baking soda that has been dissolved in it. Mix well till smooth. Now pour the batter into 2 greased and floured 9-inch cake pans. I recommend weighing the batter for even cake layers. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for around 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out with moist crumbs. Cool completely before frosting. You can frost the cake however you want. I chose to make a chocolate buttercream. Take 2 sticks of softened butter and add a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder and cream well. Then add powdered sugar until the frosting is your desired level of sweetness. This is because some people don't really like really sweet buttercream, so just don't add a lot if you don't like it that sweet. I used around 5 cups. Make sure you cream it well. Then I just put one of the layers on a cake stand, and I added about 3 or 4 dollops of the buttercream, and I spread it out in an even layer. Then I topped it with the second cake layer, and then I frosted the top and sides. Let the frosting set in the fridge for a few minutes, and then slice and serve. Enjoy.